Okay, I'm leaving again. Now it's time for the wedding. If you're not checking my community tab, make sure you put your notifications on so you'll get. Okay, all right. I know. He's so dramatic. Ah, Paris, stop. He's crazy. We're heading out to the airport. Not me and Paris, me and my mother, for the wedding. That's today. The wedding. Yes, Paris, please. Paris, I'm getting real sick of you. All right, so we're heading out to the airport in about 20 minutes. Luckily, we got a flight closer to us, so the airport's only about 25 minutes away. Everything's good. I'm thinking if I want to pack a couple snacks because I'm kind of hungry and I don't know. But I'm going to do a get ready with me for you guys. Hopefully, I can get to film a short, the get ready without me. My brows are already done because by the time we land, we got to check in. The earliest we can check into the Airbnb is 2. The wedding's at 5. So I gotta kind of get it together. But the makeup is not too crazy. My hair's already curled and pinned up. I will have to take this off at the airport, but I don't care. So I'm trying to make it as easy as possible to get everything together. Unfortunately, I do get back at 1 o'clock in the morning on Monday. You guys know videos have been going out at midnight. So it's probably out at 6. Either way, I'm not skipping a week's upload. It will be late, but it will be there. Check out my community tab. I probably already told you guys. So this is me from the past. Future? Shut up, y'all. By the time this comes out, you guys would have been notified. Paris is not happy with me again. It's so humid. It's so fucking hot and humid in New York. I cannot stand it. It's been pouring all the time. Then we have the pollen beating us up. And now it's hot and humid and sticky and it's gonna rain again. And I just feel gross. I feel gross. And all those reasons is why I hate Florida. So I wanted to get in and get out. Unfortunately, my flight is at night on Sunday. So yeah, just gonna give you guys an update. Not really a vlog, maybe a vlog. I don't know. You guys just got a vlog. I've been working. I will see you guys maybe at the airport. I don't know. Maybe my mother will feature in this vlog. I don't know. Follow me on Instagram. We made it through TSA at this tiny little airport. That's mother. There's like no TSA. It was 5 minutes. Yeah, alleged mother. We've not done the maternity test. She told me there's a Starbucks here. I've yet to see a Starbucks. This is this small airport. It's tiny. It's like this high school. Where is the Starbucks? There's a nasty Dunkin' here. Sorry to all the people who don't love themselves and drink Dunkin'. But like, it's just not coffee. 7-Eleven has better coffee, so now we're walking around, burning calories I don't have, because I didn't eat yet, looking for my damn Starbucks.
You're looking for your damn mother. Your real one.
Honestly, I think I found my real mother downstairs, because I've been saying it's hot and nasty and muggy and sticky outside, and she goes, no, it's not, it's cold. And then this white lady said, yeah, it's still muggy out, and I said, found you. Thank you so much. Get to see any Starbucks. We at the end of the road. I'll follow up with you guys in a minute. I am disgusted. I also didn't have to take off my scarf. Maybe they closed the Starbucks. She was here less than a year ago. Let me just. Okay, we made it in the car.
Okay.
Do you want to be in the vlog? Huh? This is Charlotte. Hi, Charlotte. All right. Now we're famous.
Yeah, no.
We got with another human trafficker. Puerto Rico was one. This one, they say her name is Michelle.
Shelly Belly.
I don't think that's it.
Her trafficking name is Shelly Belly.
My trafficking name, what?
Okay.
Was he even stuck? I didn't even
update. There was no Starbucks. My mother is a big fat funky liar.
There's a Starbucks here.
Okay, this is a different airport. This is a different airport. There was no Starbucks in the airport that we.
There was something wrong with my seatbelt.
She's crazy. You got it? Let me.
No, I know you.
Let me turn this off. They're getting crazy in here. But we're gonna. I don't know what we're gonna do. We have time. Shoot. We have time. Excuse me. You see why I can't talk to these people? Jamaicans. They're just like children. We made it to the Airbnb. We got here a little early. We got to check in a little early. It's nice in here. We're gonna go fight for rooms like Bad Girls Club and.
Go for the best one. Dad, no, you can have that one. Dad.
That's my mother, childish as fuck, y'all. It's nice. Apparently the previous guests were inconsiderate and broke the people damn recliner. I got a message saying please don't use it. It is a safe hazard. They are actually fighting for rooms.
India. So. India. Look at what your mom is doing.
What did she do?
Just look.
I gotta get ready and these people are stressing me out. We're gonna go see what my mother's doing. This one has been claimed. It doesn't really matter to me. They're crazy. Let me hurry up and get ready because we have to. So there we go. So I just blended it out. This is a little too much, but I did end up going in and oh my gosh, do you see how I'm making a mess? That's what I get. I did end up going in the deeper shades just to deepen it up. But I'm not too worried about the mess. This is a pretty easy look. I'm also not going to cut the crease. I just don't feel like it and I don't want to. But I'm going back into this brush. They don't have names, but it's my fluffy. It's the equivalent of a very fine version of the fluffy blending brush. But it's really nice. It is fluffy. It blends really well. And I'm just going to blend out where the transition is and just make it more blended, whereas it looks kind of harsh right now. You feel me? Oh, I didn't show you guys. I picked up a toy for Barris because I'm the bestest in the world. Now my mother talking to me when she knows that I'm filming. She's terrible. I got this. This is a Reese's Cup dog toy. Oh my gosh, it squeaks. I'm not gonna squeak it because it's gonna give me PTSD, but it is my peace treaty for when I go, my peace offering for when I go home, so he doesn't disown me. And it's gonna look a little messy, but I don't really care, y'all. Y'all know I'll clean it up later. It will stain. These shadows do stain. They're pretty rich and deep, and these colors just do. Very rich pinks, reds, this maroon wine shade, they stain. So tomorrow it'll probably be on my face still. I don't know if I'm filming or vlogging anything tomorrow, so we'll just have to play it by ear. Sorry. My hair's already curled and pinned up. There's mad duck clips in here. It is crazy. And I did not bring a brush to for the shimmer. I'm not gonna use my, oh, I probably can use my finger now that my nails are short, but I'm just going to use this small concealer brush. You know, what is it tracking? Let's have it track my eye. Keep me in focus. And I'm gonna go into the pink, ooh, the one that's dug. This dugout one. Why? Because I really like it and it's the best thing since sliced bread. I also kind of keeping it pretty close to monotone. It's not monotone, but you guys know it kind of is. I don't want too much difference in the shadows. Shut up, y'all. Y'all know what I mean. And I'm not cutting the crease because I don't want to, and I don't need it to stand out. I may go into this one as well just to see. But I really like this one. And I'm just gonna use, I guess, the rest of it. Yeah, I can't even get in there with my finger. But yeah, I think we're making decent time. It's not gonna take me too long. It's 3:20. I wanna be done by 4 o'clock. Once my foundation is on and I was gonna curse. I'm trying to be better. It shouldn't take too long. I'll do that off camera. It just takes unnecessary amount of time. Not that, like off camera I've been bullshitting too, I'm gonna lie to y'all. I've been bullshitting. So that's on me. But I think I have time. Once my makeup is done, dress is on, gotta shake out the hair. I should probably start taking it down a little bit earlier, but I feel like it's so hot, it'll drop outside. Hopefully a little later to get cooler, but as soon as we landed at like 10:30, it was already 80 degrees. So that's Florida for y'all, and we're in West Palm. It's pretty nice. It's not been as humid as I'm used to while in Florida, so that is a huge plus. I hate humidity. I already feel like I can't breathe, and I definitely pass out when I get really hot. And sometimes I literally overheat. Like my body gets hot too fast, and then that's it for me. Down goes Frasier. And you see how quiet it is in the background now? Yeah, because everybody's stopped playing around, and it's actually getting ready. Now it's my E36. We're just gonna clean that up and go back in the crease. Make sure that definition, that depth is there. And dimension, those are the words we're using. Depth, definition, dimension. What's wrong with me? I'm sorry. I didn't even have a coffee like that for real. I told you how they lied to me, but we did end up getting Starbucks right before we got to the Airbnb. So I just got a matcha latte. Not them playing copyrighted music in my background. I swear these people are disrespectful. I'm gonna finish getting ready off camera because I'm not getting copyright strike for this. I'll show you guys the final look. It's not that much more. I'm gonna do my regular face. I brought my Fenty foundation. I have my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm gonna do some contour. My highlight is gonna be my Physician Formula Butter Highlight, and I brought some Bratty lashes to be. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I'll come back. I will be ready by 4 o'clock, so don't even worry about that. Believe, trust in me. Okay, guys, final look. We're at time. Like, I gotta go. My hair's not doing what I wanted to do, but it's time to go. Here's the dress. Do I look like Marilyn? All right, I gotta go. Actually, hopefully I can get some better shots. I don't know.